Hello and welcome back to my another video, guys. Today you are going to learning about in that pandas video dataframe.transport, dataframe.head, dataframe.tail. So let's get started into our pandas video. First things first, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then we have to go to this Explorer section. Here is our Explorer section. Click here, and then here we have to click our main file, and we have to focus our main file. So here is our data. We have created part 1 to part 5, and in that video we are going to knowing about data frame.transport. So we have to cut this here, and then write down here data frame.t means transport, and then print it down. We have to print it down. So print here double single not double quotation mark, and then write here transport. When it's done, colon it here, comma it, and then last bracket. Here is our, we have to print out here. So first to last and run it. I have created already. So here is our main table, and here is our, we have to create this data table. Here is this row table is by column table name is by row. Here is this transport means. So this is this code of this transport code. We have to see in this focus. We have to focus in this here, and then we have to see this data frame.head. So cut this here, and then write down here df.head what bracket, not anything else, and then print it down. What we print, we have to print /n new line /n what data frame. I say data frame heads. You can also say it your choice, comma it, and then end this bracket. And then here is our another data frames head. So copy it here first to last, and then we have to run that here. And here is a magic of shows. Here is our, where is, guys, wait, okay, here is our transport ID. I have not created data frame, so another time. Okay, guys, here is our data frame head, student role ID, row A. Here is our head function. It's working. I have to copy this head function here first to last, and then copy it and then paste another. You can also see, cut it here, /n not working. So cut it, and then you can also see this data frame head dot two rows. You can see this of this data's 2 rows. So what you need, df.head n is 2 brackets, and then copy this here and run it. Here is our data is running. Wait, here is data.heads. We can now see this here 2 rows, and here is our main of this table. You can see here is this head of students full, and you cannot see here if. Here is our F section called, but you can use your F section and you cannot see this F section. You can only see this A to D. And if you see this 2 table, you can use that commands. Here is data.heads, head last 2. And then we have to last things focus into it. we have to cut this all of things here, and then df dot tail. What is this tail? Data frames tail. So bracket it in here and then print out it. So print out of our tail and then bracket, first to last bracket, and it's not working of our code, and then we have to double quotation marks, comma, equals to what's. So I cut it here, and then we have to say tail data frames, tail of the data frames, tail of the data frames. Okay, equals it, and then first to last copy and run it here, and then here we can see. Okay, I'll open a new terminal. You can also try. Okay, and then I copy it first to last and paste it, and our code is here. Here is our data frame tail, row A to row D. Here is our data frame tail, and here is our tail of this data frame. We have to collect this command into our tail. You can see tail it here too, and copy it and run this code. Okay, here is our head function and tail function is same, so you can use your choice, and I can give you this code in my description. This is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get more support. Part 7 is coming. Assalamualaikum.